It's Jatinwala. I'm from Bhavnagar and I have completed MSc in Chemistry in 2022 from Maharaja Krishna Kumar CG Bhavnagar University. And one of my friends suggests me to join and to learn a software testing skill by STAD Solution, where I have learned so many things and so many testing functional testing, non-functional testing, automation testing. I have learned several kind of testing regression testing, retesting, sanity testing, smoke testing, unity testing kind of testing, and non-functional testing like load testing, volume testing, performance testing, maintenance testing, security testing kind of testing. And during my training period, I got placed over Zomic Infotech IT company. Thank you.